Kinnaird College, a legacy in itself carried by thousands of women. DSG Energy feels pride in powering up this phenomenal institute with clean energy, adding up to their vision of being best at everything.
As proud alumni of Kinnaird, we're happy to announce that Kinnaird is going green with a 100 kilowatt DSG solar power plant. This futuristic power plant will produce 146 megawatt hour of clean energy.
And more importantly, this 100 kilowatt of system is going to help the environment by being a very sustainable source of energy, and it's going to reduce a huge chunk of carbon footprint from the environment. You know that Kinnaird College was founded back in 1930 and it is one of the oldest colleges of Lahore.
Since then, it has produced thousands of empowered women joining every walk of life. We're proud of Kinnaird College for taking this step towards sustainability and creating a way forward for other educational institutes.